Hello friends, this is Infinity Crafts and you can make anything by using these elements: water, fire, wind, earth. Now we will see how to make Peter Griffin by using all these elements. First we make water plus water. This makes lake. Now we put earth into lake. Now this makes swamp. Now we make earth plus swamp. Earth plus swamp. This make mud. Now we make mud plus swamp. This make quagmire. Now we make water plus fire. This make steam. Now we make steam plus steam. This makes cloud. Now cloud plus cloud. This make rain. Now rain plus rain. This make rainbow. Now rainbow plus mud. This make pig. Now fire plus fire. This make volcano. Now volcano plus pig. This make weekend. Now weekend plus volcano. This make Wakenator. Now Wakenator plus quagmire. This make Peter Griffin. So like this you can make Peter Griffin in Infinite Crafts. So if you like this video, please like my video and so subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for